thank you for sitting. Thank you. What are you doing, Chloe?
Bobby.
You're gonna call Bobby?
Oh, she. Hello?
Who are you calling? Chloe. Chloe.
Chloe.
Who are you calling?
Bobby.
Bobby. Say hi, Bobby.
Bobby.
Wait. Go. Are you calling Bobby? Sit down, please. I can't see you. You gotta sit down. Sit down, please. Sit down. Where are you going?
Daddy.
Go to Daddy?
Daddy.
Who are you calling, Chloe?
Daddy.
You're calling Daddy now.
Hi.
Daddy.
For me? Thank you. For Chloe?
Yeah.
For Daddy?
Daddy.
Thank you.
Where are you going?
Daddy.
Hi.
Who are you calling?
Bobby.
Hi, Coco. For me? Thank you.
Is Bobby on the phone? Are you all done? Say bye-bye. Chloe, say bye-bye.
Mama.
Here you go.
Hello? What are you doing?
Mama.
Careful. Careful.
Dad.
Bye, Chloe.
There you go. You're welcome.
Hello? You're welcome. You don't want it anymore?
Daddy.
Bring it to Daddy again? Bye-bye, Chloe.
Hi. Thank you. Thank you. There you go.
Me.
For me? Thank you.
Go.
You're welcome. What's the sign for thank you? What's the sign for thank you? Well, I guess you can't do it. Your hands are full. What are you doing with two phones?
Bobby.
You're calling Bobby? Can you... Chloe, can you show me how to call Bobby? Can you show me how to call Bobby? Oops, kaboom. Bye-bye. Bye-bye phone.